We can list the mental elements of reading as follows. Image center defines the image, quickly grasps the symbols and transmits them to the brain. Image recognition quickly recognizes information from our visual field. Image interpretation area, image memory. The image that is defined and compared with the information we have previously obtained. Reading center. It is a center in our brain where the processes we call silent reading is completed. Speech center. Reading aloud. Activates the area of the brain responsible for psychomotor movements.